In this game, you gotta have that dog in you. That desire, that hunger. That non-stop will to win. If you look at all the greats, Dion, Jerry, Walter, all of them, they all got that dog in them. The dog inside you is what drives you to finish. That dog drives you to dominate your opponent. When it's one-on-one in the hole, when it's one-on-one and the ball is in the air, that dog makes the play. Because in this game, the bigger dog wins. I'm not talking about size. I'm talking about the man with more heart. The man with more will. The man who simply refuses to lose.
Castro go crazy.
Yeah, we gone. Stop, we good. Stop, chill, we on. Scale, let's go. Domingo, let's go. Take, let's go. Set, let's roll. Straightening. Yeah, straightening. Yeah, don't nothing get strained but straightening. Don't nothing get strained but straightening. Don't nothing get strained but straightening. You don't get straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Act like the game went vacant. Act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking, popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting the narrows with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that on. Get on. I bought 2 whips and I put my on. She put this wrist on. She said the wrist said it with Richard Mill Pearls. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's that we on. Them gon' pull up and L at this together won't get what you homes. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap, put a demon in it. Upgrade the band up, put fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running back, I just seen tenant. We going to get straightening. Yeah, straightening. Yeah, don't nothing get strained but straightening. Don't nothing get strained but straightening. Don't nothing get strained but straightening. You don't get straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get.
Going back to the East, came with a W.